Hey guys, Kurt from Time Machine Transport. I'm over here in Elkhart, Indiana. I am a wreck. Just finished tarping this load. But anyways, there's these. I don't know what those noises are. I thought it was trains at first, like trains on the track. But it's like almost like I don't know. There's nothing around here. It's really odd. It's like just very weird. They were louder before, and like it was going on. It's going on for a while. Very strange. I thought it was a train, but it's been going on now for a half hour. It's like it sounds like it's coming from over there. Bunch of deer over there. There'll be eight or nine deer around here. They're just looking at me. No, I'm not here to kill you guys. There's gotta be, yeah, there's another one right there. Oh, it's a tree. That's really weird. It wasn't doing that before. It was like 3 or 4 deer over there. strange. It wasn't doing that when I first got here. I've been here in about an hour and a half now. Very strange. It just started doing it about a half hour ago. He's just looking at me. Very strange. Like I said, it wasn't doing it before. When I got here, it wasn't. That noise wasn't here. I thought maybe it was coming from the factory or something, but it's like it's coming from over in that area. Like I said, it wasn't doing that before. So when I was it wasn't doing that before. Like I said, I was up on top of my trailer there tarping, and all of a sudden I started started hearing it when I was up on my started hearing it when I was up on my trailer, and I'm like, what the hell's that noise? I thought it was trains, like I said, off in the distance, but then it kept going. And it's not a consistent noise. It's not like if it was coming from the factory, it would be consistent, like the same kind of noise. If it was like a machine or something, but it's and then sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, and it's all different. Like it's not a consistent noise or. Like I said, it's not a consistent noise. It's not a consistent high pitch or low pitch. It's not a machine. And like I said, at first I thought it was train cars. Kind of sounds eerie. Anyways, I got to get going. I got to finish tarping this and get to the house. I got to load our tow unit. But anyways, I hope this video finds you all well. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao. Oh yeah, let's see if it. That's just really weird. Anyways, I'm sure you guys get the gist of it. But anyways, I hope this video please like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.